Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up to complete silence, no more constant ringing, buzzing, or that maddening echo in your ears? Imagine reclaiming peace of mind and focus with just one natural solution. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the breakthrough formula that thousands are calling the ultimate mute button for tinnitus. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to silence the noise for good. Every day, over 50 million Americans struggle with tinnitus, the phantom ringing that makes concentration a battle and sleep a distant memory. You're not alone if you've tried earplugs, sound machines, or expensive therapies with little to no relief. I've been there, scrolling through endless posts, desperate for a real solution. Today, we're diving into a simple, natural supplement that's capturing headlines and changing lives. Before I reveal the name, let's talk about why most treatments fail. Many solutions only mask symptoms or come with side effects you'd rather avoid. What if you could target the root causes, support healthy blood flow, calm neural overactivity, and nourish your auditory system all in one capsule? Picture ingredients like Ginkgo Biloba for circulation, vitamin B6 for balanced metabolism, zinc for repair, plus soothing botanicals like valerian root and a probiotic blend for overall wellness. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But the science behind it is rock solid. The supplement I'm referring to is Zeneara, a holistic, plant-based ear health formula developed by top researchers to tackle tinnitus at its core. Users report noticeably reduced ringing within weeks, plus improved sleep quality and mental clarity. It's even been called the 5-second mute button that Big Pharma didn't want you to know about. Here's the moral of the story. You don't have to accept ringing ears as your forever soundtrack. By choosing a natural, science-backed approach like Zeneara, you reclaim control over your day-to-day life, feeling calm, focused, and truly present again. It's more than a supplement, it's your ticket back to peace of mind. If you're as excited as I am, stick around. I've got one more tip coming up to amplify your results. If you're ready to experience the Zeneara difference for yourself, check out the link in the description below right now. Supplies are limited, and for the next 24 hours only, you can grab an exclusive discount and free shipping. Don't miss out on this chance to silence the noise and start living in harmony again. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button to let me know. And it really helps us reach others in need. Make sure to subscribe and ring so you don't miss my next deep dive into holistic supplements. Have you tried anything for your tinnitus? Drop your experience or questions in the comments below. Let's support each other. Know someone who's struggling with ringing ears? Share this video and give them hope today. For more on natural ear health and wellness tips, click to watch my next video right here. Your journey to better hearing continues.